Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. It's Mark Wiens. I'm in Trinidad and Tobago. And today I'm on the beautiful, undiscovered, hidden gem island of Tobago. It's a small island in the Caribbean, but it has a huge soul. People are friendly, the food is delicious. Yes. Oh wow. And it's spectacularly beautiful. Today we're gonna go on a food tour. We are gonna eat some of the local specialty dishes of Tobago. We're gonna eat fish and breadfruit. Oh, I'm gonna be a roast breadfruit if I stand here for too long. We're gonna eat crab and dumplings. We're gonna explore this incredible island, and I'm gonna share all of the food with you coming up right now. And so again, welcome to the beautiful island of Tobago. It's a small island, but people are so friendly. Food is delicious. The natural beauty is spectacular. Really a hidden gem in the Caribbean. I'm so happy to be here. And we are beginning today in a village called Castara. We're on, I believe, the northern coast area. It's a picturesque village, the sparkling water, the coconut trees, the green hills, and we're gonna have our first meal here today on the beach.
Morning.
Mr. Bertil?
Yes, sir.
Hey, nice to, sorry. Mr. Bertil, nice to meet you.
This is a hand that feed you today, so you can shake it.
So you can get some of his dialect.
Oh yeah, welcome to Castara.
This is a beautiful spot here.
This is the place.
This is the place.
There's no location like this location.
What's going on here today?
I'm making some roast fish
Oh, awesome.
and some roast breadfruit.
Oh,
So
the
this-
breadfruit. Excellent.
This will burn right down. When it's finished, we scrape it and take out the inside, and then we cut it and you can have some roast fish.
Excellent. Oh man, this location, it's so beautiful. Right, we're on the beach, under the coconut trees.
Giving them more fire.
The breadfruits are already on the fire. I love breadfruit. I'm loving Tobago already. We just arrived and I'm already loving it. Oh, it's just so laid back. Such a cool place. Yes.
All of this has to burn off.
Okay.
This have to burn off.
And then it's gonna burn some of the wood.
Yes, when the wood burn, the breadfruit burn.
Okay. And you wanna kind of burn it, char it on the outside?
Charcoal.
Charcoal.
The small twigs.
Really burns. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, keep the fire going. So as long as all the green has disappeared
Oh, you want it to be
And
fully
you can-
charred?
and you only seen ashes,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
We roll them out and we scrape them.
Oh, yes.
I'll give you a knife.
Okay.
I'll give you a knife and you can.
Okay. I'll try to help.
So this is gonna be fish broth.
Oh, nice.
In Castara we say fish broth.
Awesome.
Right?
Fish broth.
So we have green banana, we have potato, we have pumpkin, carrots, onion, garlic.
Excellent.
So that's gonna cook for a little while. It's good for you.
Yes.
Fish broth, tell him fish
Broth. Over here, the fish broth is underway.
You know, sometimes you have to turn up the stove.
Yes.
This is what I'm doing now.
The traditional
See?
way.
See what's going on there?
The traditional way.
Yeah.
As we're cooking the breadfruit, they just brought in the fishing nets, so the fresh catch, and now just collecting the small fish, the little fish, a few crabs. I mean, I love the culture. Everybody just comes to help pull in the nets. And it's attracted the birds. What were the name of the birds again? Frigates. Frigates. They're like, yeah, definitely dinosaur-looking birds. Wow. It's the frigates, which look like prehistoric dinosaur pterodactyls. 2-meter wingspans. So cool.
Barracuda.
Oh, this is barracuda? Seasoned already?
Absolutely.
Bertil, what do you have seasoned on it, Mr. Bertil?
We have thyme, shadow benny, black pepper,
Nice.
lime, very important.
And that goes
Hot
directly,
pepper. Yeah.
hot pepper that goes onto the fire. Oh, so it's a mix of fish.
Yes.
Salmon, barracuda.
Yes. Okay, ready. Yeah, it's
Garlic basting sauce. Oh, yes.
It's gonna smoke you away.
Yes. Based on some garlic sauce, Alibaba. Alibaba, yes. Oh, that's smelling so good. Smoking it out.
What about
Dorado?
Yeah, yeah,
My favorite chicken meal.
yeah.
Dorado and that.
So this is for you.
Thank you very much.
That's all you get today.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's
Take a
hot.
picture of
That's
him.
fresh. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, so fresh. That seasoning. And right off the grill, the smokiness. Oh, it's so good. Then another check on the breadfruit. It is at full blaze now.
Yeah. Come. I'll grab a little plate, eh? The screen looks plain. Oh.
Oh, yes.
When we done this,
Another drizzle of that garlic sauce. Yes. Yes, ready. Oh, you smell that amazing roasted flavor. Aroma,
This-
hot, fresh. That's the intestines.
yeah, check this out. Huh?
That pops out.
Straight back in the fire. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Breadfruit.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank you very much. All right.
Hold it good.
Okay.
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, oops.
Oh.
Thank you very much. There's nothing like fresh roasted breadfruit, fresh roast fish on the beach. Beautiful location. This is just pure happiness. Perfectly. When he pops that open, it has the most amazing, like roasty fire aroma. And look at that texture. I mean, it's like in between, like almost feels doughy. Oh, breadfruit is like just a natural phenomena.
Right.
Literally bread and like potatoes all together in one amazing fruit. Smoky and roasted. So nutritious and starchy. Oh, it's so good. Again, look at the butteriness of that fish, the oily juices, the seasoning. Oh, wow. Nothing like the fresh fish either. That garlic sauce, that seasoning with the shadow benny, and just the fresh butteriness of the fish, and then how it's roasted over the high flame so you just fully absorbs that fire. It's so good, so nutritious. Everything from this vicinity. This is as local as you can get. I don't think it gets better than this on the beach. Okay, we do have some hot sauce. Oh, wow. We're gonna finish this, and then we're still waiting on the fish broth right down there. Coming soon.
Two more.
Props to the chef.
Yes, man.
Hooked it up.
Nastrovia.
So good. Oh, so the same marinated
Yeah.
seasoned fish is gonna go into the fish broth.
Yes.
Excellent.
That's how you do it.
Okay. Oh yes, okay.
The fish head is the real thing for the fish, bro. Ah!
Oh, you're going in with a little hot pepper. Nice. the fish broth is not just a broth, it's like an entire soup. There's green bananas, there's carrots, some pumpkin in there. It's the full, like such a good way to make use of fish and to stretch that broth and that flavoring. Oh, thank you. All right, taste test. Oh yeah, oh yeah, coming along nicely. The freshness, the sweetness of the pumpkin and the carrot.
What? Not today.
It goes into the fish broth.
Yeah.
Dumplings, okay.
Yeah, this is a quick thing.
Okay.
Quick thing.
All right.
Fisherman style. Ronnie?
Ah, okay, and those go directly into the soup.
Well.
Plop directly into the soup. Oh, or you can just cut it.
Yeah. Right. So we just want everything else cooked. It's just for the dumpling to cook.
Okay, and then it will be ready.
Yeah. Somebody bring that one.
Ready.
Ready!
Yes. Oh yeah, the dumplings, the green bananas.
Ah, a little fish head.
Yes.
All right. Who is next?
Oh, oh wow. Oh man, that is just so pure. That broth, oh man, it's just sweet from the pumpkin. You've got just that aroma of the okra. Oh man, it's good. Just so pure.
Oh yes, man.
Just the real deal.
This is natural.
Natural, natural.
You don't want no fish?
Very little.
And again, it's like everything
I was saving all the
from the backyard right here.
Yeah, man.
The fish from the sea.
Yes.
Did it again. You did it again.
The fish head is.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And again, it's that same fish that was grilled, but this is just in the broth version.
Yes, famous Castara, famous fish broth.
Oh, the famous castara. Oh, with that pepper sauce. Extra punch of acidity. Wow. So good. That banana. And you cannot beat this atmosphere. We have to move on. Very nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Hope to see you again in Tobago, in Castara.
We'll love to come back again.
You're free, you're most welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
From here, we're moving on. We have a lot more to keep on eating. Next up on this food tour of Tobago, we are coming to visit someone who is, well, baking, and baked products in a dirt oven is something that's very traditional of the food in Tobago, and we're gonna see some baking on the next level. Look at that oven is raging on fire. Wow. That's an inferno. And then, yes, if you stand there for too long, you will start to bake yourself.
The oven is a little bit on the big side. You might as well do one baking rather than multiple. But
Exactly.
Being big, it has its challenges. But I mean,
Takes
not
a
too
lot
bad.
of wood to heat, yeah?
A lot of wood.
but-
I would say hour and a half.
To heat it all up?
At least to get it to the timing that I like to work with.
Okay.
And then once it's there, then we know to go.
These are the Parmesan nuts. They're raisin. These here are the coconut tarts. They're raisin.
Wow.
The inside is coconut. Peculiar this much.
Okay.
This is the garlic bread.
The garlic bread, okay.
And this
Oh,
is
wow.
the pumpkin.
Pumpkin bread, okay.
Yeah.
So all of these are ready to go as soon as the oven is hot?
Yes, no,
Oh, you've prepared so many, such a variety of baked goods. And baked goods are a big part of the Tobagonian culture, food culture.
the food that is made inside here tastes superior
Yes.
to the food that is made on the gas or
Yes,
the kerosene.
yes, it does.
Because it has, you know, the scent of the wood
Yes.
and the
I
taste
agree.
and everything. So some people still cling to the traditional. They wouldn't. It's a little bit more costly than the ones in the supermarket, but some people will come because of the taste.
Yes.
Right. Because they want
Like-
to go back to roots.
I'm
Right.
glad you are preserving the
roots,
tradition and the
yes.
roots, yes. So at this stage, the oven is heated. I'm gonna remove all of the flaming logs and all that ash, clean it out, and then that's heated and ready to bake.
So we're just trying to get all the ash.
Get all that ash out
Yeah,
so it's nice and clean.
yeah. It's not gonna be perfect, but you know, you want to get the majority out.
Okay. Okay, first batch is going in.
Yep. So nice in the middle there.
That's the garlic bread?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Coconut drops.
These are called coconut drips.
Drops.
Okay. So that's a mixture of coconut with like a sweet like dish. Okay. Raisins, flour, coconut. Put on that cover. Sealed up nicely to bake in their new home. Okay, because it's so hot right now. Release some of that heat. Oh yeah, okay.
So I want to use the beef. I'll just put everything to the front. It's not gonna be as quick to go.
Okay, yes, yeah.
But I'll just put these.
Hot and fresh.
Yeah. Upside down, but
It's okay.
The garlic sauce.
Garlic sauce on top too.
Yeah.
Ready to be checked.
yeah, I'll let the boss. I'll let the boss do the chocolate.
The island of the islands. Thank you very much. These are the coconut drops straight out of the dirt oven. Oh, that's hot and fluffy on the inside. And from that oven, it's so crispy on the edges and the bottom. Oh, nice. Really fluffy, not too sweet, fresh. Has that smokiness from the fire, kind of like a biscuity texture to it. Okay, and I can't wait to try the garlic bread. Phil over here is a pro. Loading it up with cheese. It's hot, just kind of, the cheese just immediately melts. The aroma of that garlic, that brown crust on the top. Oh, that's great. Oh, the garlic, the cheese, the Parmesan, so good, so fresh. I mean, just straight, an oven to mouth experience. They just keep on coming. This is the coconut tart. Oh, yes. Loaded with coconut. Oh, oh. Oh, this is great. Shredded coconut, like a brown sugar and cinnamon taste to it. Everything that comes out of that oven is great. One more that we need to try, the pumpkin. Thank you very much.
So we need some cheese in this pumpkin.
Need some cheese in the pumpkin? Cheese in the pumpkin?
Pumpkin bread. You know, I mean, it's everything. I mean, it's bread. You know, people generally enjoy bread with either bread butter, bread cheese. You know, you get that nice melted cheese.
Yeah,
straight out
that's
the oven.
melted cheese. Okay. Oh, that one is nice and crusty and fluffy on the inside, that pumpkin bread. Oh, it's light.
Right.
Light.
And in your body, because they can't
Somebody
be
want-
right away, there's a lot of precautions you have to take.
Okay, I'm going in with a little more cheese into that.
Most of them don't do it every day. Even in
Cheese
Trinidad,
into that pumpkin.
they do it on
Into that hot pumpkin loaf. And really, this is like the fluffiest texture. Oh, the pumpkin is nice too. Like more airy and fluffy, crispy on the top. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. Right out of their home in their backyard, mom and son duo. They're so humble and so nice. That was just an excellent experience. Next up on this food tour of Tobago today, we are going to eat what is probably one of the most famous, iconic, the national dish of the island of Tobago. And we're here at a restaurant, but also a home that's called Miss Trim's. And they are legendary for making Tobago curry crab and dumplings. Oh, it's been seasoned already. This is the crab. Okay, great.
This is shadow benny, of course. You've been introduced to this before. And this is French thyme, the fat leaf thyme.
That goes into the seasoning
Yes,
of the
that
crab?
goes into the green seasoning.
seasoning of the crab.
Yeah, it's ground. So that's the pre-prepped for crab.
Okay,
Curry crab.
okay. It's gonna be my first time to see the process. Curried crab and dumplings, Tobago style.
Oil.
So first goes in garlic.
Yeah.
Curry powder. Yeah, that smells incredible.
Well cooked.
Well cooked. Bring out the flavor. Oh, you're going in with the crabs?
Going in with the crab. You get some water. Cover it and make sure that it steams for a little bit, and then we go in with the other spices and cover it with our coconut milk, which is
Okay.
really the star of the show.
So what is the significance of crab and dumplings in Tobago?
Oh, it's just that one meal that if you come to the island, you must have. The history of it is that, you know, we've always been a resilient people, and when we couldn't get anything else on the island, we looked for all the things that are indigenous to the island, and crabs, blue crabs, are very famous, and they run all over from between the mangroves and the sea. So a lot, there were a lot in abundance before, a lot more in abundance before. You're hardly seeing them now because a lot more people have them on their menus in a
Okay.
big way, the larger restaurants. But we've remained true to our tradition. That's how Miss Trim's became famous, because it's relocated right outside of the airport. So when you come to Tobago, you literally, it can be your first stop. So it is. All right.
Oh, these are onions,
Yeah.
ginger, shadow benny, yes.
Pepper in there.
Nice.
Really the star of the
Okay,
show,
the
like I
coconut
said.
milk.
Yes. Yeah. See the color already start changing?
Yeah. Oh, it cooks for 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Crab juices are gonna come together, come out, be released into that curry. Now it's starting to bubble up with the crab juice and the coconut milk. A lava waterfall of curry and coconut milk.
So we're almost ready, Mark. Now
Okay.
we're gonna get our dumplings rolled because the water is already boiling. Gonna get our dumplings going.
All right. As the crab curry boils, we'll get started on the dumplings. Dumplings are a necessary component of this dish.
People make them in any shape really, but ours are usually round.
Oh,
you
okay.
know? Yeah.
Okay.
And there you go.
Oh, so these are huge dumplings.
Yeah.
Not like little bite-sized dumplings.
No.
These are like big dumplings.
Yeah. I cut it in half to make it easy as well. So
Oh,
it's
okay.
Is the water boiling for the dumplings, yeah? Yeah. Nice.
Those are giant-sized, patty-sized dumplings. Those go into some boiling water that's gonna boil to combine with the crab. Okay, great. The dumplings are ready, everything's ready. Nice outdoors patio here where we're sitting down for our first plate of crab and dumplings. Really like meaty, doughy dumplings, plus all that crab, plus all the curry sauce. Oh, they're really like thick and hearty. Get as much, let it absorb as much of that curry sauce as possible. Oh, the curry crab and that flavor. And then those dumplings, they're so hearty and doughy. Absorb that curry sauce, but that curry sauce is just incredible. With all those different seasonings, the curry powder, the herbs in there, the garlic. What's amazing though is that you can, the shell is quite soft, so you can kind of just chew yourself through the shell, releasing all that sweet meat, that local fresh crab. It's small, but it's really sweet. And I mean, part of the joy of eating crab is that you gotta work for it, but then at the same time you have to, it's not only about eating, but it's also about kind of sucking. Slice off a bit. You know, those dumplings are like hearty, dense. Okay, let's try that claw. And that island breeze today is just incredible. It's kind of a rainy day. Rehydrate, re-scoop with that curry sauce. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Thank you. Oh yes, one more component. Pile it on. I just can't get enough of the zabuka in Trinidad and Tobago. I mean, this is really a dish. It's local crabs that you just gotta put your whole face into. You gotta just get messy. Just go. It's just something you have to commit to and go all in. Oh, what a day it's been so far. Delicious food, amazing people. Tobago is just such a relaxed culture, and the food has been outstanding. For dinner tonight in Tobago, the first place that we're stopping is one of the late night staples of Tobago. It's called Block 22. They're famous for the chicken sandwich, and I think they're open all night long, especially famous to eat late at night. Oh, that is pretty awesomely beautiful. Look at that small little roll with a whole piece of leg and thigh combo fried fresh in a bun. That is one of the most awesome fried chicken sandwiches I've ever seen. Bone and all in a bun. Hot pepper. Maybe go for a little bit of this sauce. No idea what this one is. More of like a ketchup? Okay. Okay, I'm not even totally sure how to eat this. I think you just bite. Oh yeah. Oh, that is a quality piece of fried chicken. It's so crispy. And then with that Tobagonian pepper sauce. Oh yeah, that is tasty. Here's another way you can eat it. Grab bread and just kind of like tear off chicken. Oh, it's so hot. We got a fresh batch. Wow, that's hot. That is quality fried chicken. Oh, they were telling me that this is a must stop for everyone from Tobago. Come here after a party, late at night, open 24 hours a day. That is delicious. To end this tour today, we're gonna have something called a punch, kind of like the milkshake of all milkshakes. Tobago punch.
So when you think of what I've done for me, tell me the item.
Essence. So what is a punch? It's like a blend of many things? A milkshake, okay, okay. Bitters, spice, whoa, oats.
Simos. Give us some pumpkin.
Potato. Oh yeah. Oh, what a way to end this evening. That's so good. Oh, the sweet potato in there. There's like 15 different ingredients in this, all blended together. It's delicious. The boss of punch. Oh, that's a perfect sweet ending to the night. All right, thanks, man. And it's been another amazing day in Trinidad and Tobago. Tobago is such a cool island. Again, the people are so friendly, food is delicious, and the island itself is just gorgeous. The nature, the culture stands out, and yeah, I've loved hanging out and eating through Tobago. And so I want to say a huge thank you to Visit Tobago, Tobago Beyond, and also to Visit Trinidad, who is responsible for arranging this entire trip, for setting everything up, for bringing me here to Trinidad and Tobago for this amazing trip. And be sure to stay tuned for the entire series because we're traveling around Trinidad and Tobago. We are learning about the culture, eating some of the most delicious food. There will be a lot of videos that you can check out, and it's been an amazing trip. I want to say a big thank you to you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe now for lots more food and travel videos. Goodbye from Tobago, and I will see you on the next video.